Let us talk about the parts of the computer system. To start with, keyboard. Keyboard is responsible for entering data into the computer. When you type something using the keyboard, it means that you are feeding data into the computer. And once data reaches the computer, it is now being processed by CPU, Central Processing Unit. Number 2 is the printer. The printer is responsible for printing out whatever you have been doing on the computer. Maybe you are typing a text, you are typing something, you are designing, and now you want to print it out. It means that you are going to use the printer. A printer is an example of output devices. Number 3 is the mouse. The mouse is a pointing device responsible for opening files and programs. Once you double click on a program or a file, it opens instantly. So a mouse is just being regarded as a shortcut for opening a file or a program within the computer system. Number 4 is monitor. Its work is just to display whatever the computer is processing. Without the monitor, there's no way you can be able to know what the computer has processed. So the monitor has to be present for you to see what the computer is processing. And then the monitor is an example of output devices. And number 5 is speakers. The work of the speakers is just to give out the sound within the computer system. So if you want to listen to music, if you want to record something and you want to hear it out, then the speaker is responsible for that. And then number 6 in that category is the system unit or the CPU. So the system unit, that box that you see, is the one which has housed all the components within the computer there. So that system unit, inside there there's a CPU which is called Central Processing Unit. Its work is just to manufacture the raw data that has entered through the keyboard, and then it converts it into something that you can understand. So this box that you are seeing, which is called the system unit, is the one which has housed the CPU. The CPU is something very small like this. It's very small, as you have seen here. That is the CPU. So that CPU might look small like this, but it is the brain of the computer. It is the place where all the works of the computers are being processed and manufactured. So those parts that I have mentioned are very important within the computer system. So if you have a question, you can put it in a comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more video updates.